Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So let me just shift these waves across for the breakout wave count. Solana is on its way to form that right shoulder of the inverse head and shoulders pattern. So we will see if it can complete that. The overall commentary from the previous videos hasn't changed. In the previous video, I explained to you that this wave 2 in white, which is part of the bullish wave count, is basically too far stretched out to be really reliable. But it looks like a 3-wave move down, and it did not break below our, we call it make or break point at $18.60, which is this red line. So it still has a chance, of course, but it's currently in the process of trying to close that right shoulder of this potential breakout pattern, the inverse head and shoulders pattern. But as I said to you, it needs to break above $20.60 for me to really follow the white wave count, which is the direct bullish breakout count, to follow that primarily. In the previous video, I explained to you as well that we will likely attempt a rally to $20.60 as soon as this descending trend line breaks. So you can see how reliable, or let's say valuable, that information was for a potential breakout trader, for example, because the price did move up significantly off the off the breakout point, basically within the day, 3.3%. That is for crypto generally not too much, but in the current market condition, it is quite noticeable because the current market is fairly boring. Also, it looks like it wants to get to $20.60 next. At least we have no indication that it's stopping at the moment. At the moment, however, it looks like a 3-wave move up only. So obviously what we're watching for is also within this 3rd wave here that Solana should produce 5 waves. Essentially, the wave count in the white structure should look like 5 waves up, 3 waves down, and so on, so within this wave 3. So I think the levels are clear. I mean, above $20.60, and that's very consistent with our analysis over the last few weeks. Above $20.60, it has a chance to follow the white wave count. It has a chance now, but it would basically confirm it. Should then rally in a 3rd wave to $22 plus, and essentially should reach around about $24 to $25 in this 5-wave move to the upside. When it does that and fill in an ABC pullback, then it is basically a so-called 1-2 setup. This would be another entry point, or let's say pullback trade setup. And if it holds, then a 3rd wave rally can take us to $40, $50 and more. Important is that it now holds at any time above the Wednesday low, which is round about at $18.70. Below, so if it now starts to break down and goes below $18.70, it's probably breaking down and is heading to the $17 level. But at the moment, it can push higher. Target would be $20.60, but the condition is that it is now holding the micro support level. So when we have a short-term uptrend like that, it's always worth knowing what is the micro support against which the price can push higher. Because we need to know what the level is when broken to the downside. What's the level that we can use to start to talk about a failure? So this rally, this breakout has failed. When can we increase the probabilities for that? And that would be below $19.37, which is the 50% Fibonacci retracement. If it goes below that level, it's likely not able to push higher. And that's basically at the moment my view about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.